God damn it. Saket Animate is still making grounded videos out of me, and he has been doing this for a month, and I think it needs to stop. So the question is, what should I do to stop this? Wait, I know what to do. I am going to create a Barney Error, and then I will send it to Saket Animate. Ha 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 ha. Now it's time to make a Barney Error with easy tools. Alright, now it's time to send my Barney Error to Saket Animate. Yay 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 yay, I now just sent Saket Animate my own Barney Error, and if his laptop doesn't exist anymore, then I will celebrate.
Let's make another grounded video on Vyond. What? Not this blue screen of death.
We interrupt your MacBook session to give you a Barney Error. Barney was killed by Catherine Penton. Catherine placed Barney in his lair, tied him up, and placed a bomb near his lair, which will explode in 200 days. Here are the rules of this error. I will not tell you, but I want you to obey these rules. Good luck.
You know what, curse you Barney. I can do whatever I want. Ha, take that. What the?
Hey, what did Joey tell you about turning off your computer? You should not turn off your computer, but you just did it. That's it, this is your first strike. 19 more than you will enter the code. If you do that again, then the time will be cut in half.
Well, if that's how things should be. There. Oh crap.
You have just disobeyed me again. How dare you turn off your MacBook again? That's it, the time will be cut to 100 hours. Also, this is your second strike. 18 more and then you will enter the code. So do not even think about turning it off again.
I think I will make a video on Vyond.
You know that you're not allowed to use Vyond while the Barney Error is active. That's it, this is your third strike, 17 more and then you will enter the code. Also, if you get yourself to waste 2 more chances, then I will be extremely angry. So don't even think about doing it.
Well, I don't care. Heck this Barney Error.
How dare you turn off your MacBook for the third time? That's it, this is your last chance until my eyes become on fire, and the time will be cut to 36 hours. Also, this is your— Hey, why did you just interrupt my speech? But you know that you're gonna get extremely angry from me.
GRRR. Not this disable screen again.
This is your fifth strike. 15 more and then you enter the code. Also, the time is now cut to 3 days. So do not do anything wrong. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to give you another chance. You're guilty, can't disobey me. Instead, you will now enter the code in 10 seconds.
is exploded. Why? Because you entered the wrong code. The correct code was 9999999. And you know what this means. This means you are grounded forever. You will have to buy a new MacBook. Goodbye forever.
Wow. My MacBook is gone, and I can't make Beyond videos anymore. This is the worst day ever. Wow. Wait a minute, I have a feeling that it was Clyde that sent me this Barney error, because he's been misbehaving for a whole month. That is so freaking it. I am going to call his dad about this.
Yay. Saket Animate's MacBook is gone forever. No more grounded videos of me. Yes.
He did what? Oh my god. Clyde is going to be super grounded big time. Thanks for telling me, I will let him know. Bye. Clyde, get your freaking head over here right now. You are in super big trouble.
Oh crap, I am so freaking dead right now.
Clyde, what the hell is your problem? I can't believe that you gave Saket Animate your own Barney error to cause him to lose his MacBook forever. This is the worst thing that you ever done. How freaking dare you? That is so hell of a hole freaking it. You are grounded for 937423947084018439999999999 10 billion years. Go to bed right now.